Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're making a pumpkin cream cheese roll. I'm really excited to make this because I've never made it before, but it looks so pretty and delicious. So, let's get baking. We're gonna start with 1 cup of sugar and add in 3/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice, and 3 eggs. Then we'll add in 2/3 cup of pumpkin puree and mix this together. Now we're going to line a sheet pan with parchment paper, grease down with cooking spray, and then we're going to add our batter to it. We're going to bake this for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For our filling, we're going to use 12 ounces of cream cheese. Into that, we'll add 1 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and mix this together a little before adding in the rest. Now we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to mix it until completely combined. Now for the roll, we're going to lay out a dish towel and sprinkle it with powdered sugar. This is going to help the roll to not stick when we flip it over. And we're going to flip it as soon as it comes out of the oven and carefully take off the pan and lift off the parchment paper. Now we're going to tightly roll it with a towel. Be careful, but it's pretty easy. And then once it's cool, we're going to unroll it and spread the cream cheese filling over it. Once we're finished with that, we're going to roll it back up again, and trust me, it is so much easier than rolling up a hot pumpkin roll. And then we're going to cut off the ends just to make it look a little neater. And for our final touches, we will sprinkle it with some powdered sugar. So here's the final product. It's a beautiful pumpkin roll. It's got a really nice looking cream cheese swirl right here. So I'm gonna try a little bit. Ooh! The pumpkin roll has a sort of spongy consistency. I really like it. It's really interesting. The cream cheese filling is exactly that. It's cream cheese filling. It tastes really good. It's not too sweet. You can still taste the cream cheese, which I really like. I like that cream cheese flavor. And the whole thing is really delicious. Like combined all together, it all like just tastes great. I think this would be delicious and a big hit if you served it at your Thanksgiving dinner. So that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Go.
Francis, your book. Circus is here. Okay.
We're gonna get a copyright strike. Why are you laughing? I didn't even do anything.
Hi guys. No.
What is wrong with you?
What?
Go. Oh my gosh. Do it like Dad does with the chicken.
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
I'm scared. Okay, stop. Look, I did it. I'm so scared. I'm
Just
scared.
roll it.
I'm scared.
Just roll it.
Okay.
No, I'm dying. Hope. Oh, come on.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Now you gotta clean this all up.
But on the bright side, it looks great.
Ah, I love homemade gourmet. That doesn't smell bad to me. It tastes bad. I'm just kidding.
No, I want to eat it, Ben. Stop.
You get a slice.
Put it back. No. Put it back.
Can't you put that in?
Put it back.